Hello and welcome to Smart Talk. Let's get well. A new age model for medical diagnosis based on machine learning. This project is presented by group number 20. Now, let's uncover Smart Talk. We'll be answering three questions. Why Smart Talk? What's in it? Where is it? Let's go to the first question. Why Smart Talk? Online medical advice is quick, easy, and very convenient. People don't like to go to the doctor, either because they have minor symptoms or for fear of overdosage of medicines that may adversely affect their health. In spite of having around 14 million doctors in India, quality healthcare in India is an issue which needs to be addressed in three areas: provision, attainment, and utilization. The COVID 19 pandemic has indeed taught us that access to medical care can be affected in rural areas and in urban areas. At Smart Talk, what we believe is that what matters most is the present. Hence, we have created Smart Talk, a present solution to a present problem. Time for the second question. What's in it? Smart Talk has four modules. The disease prediction module is based on Gaussian Naive Bayes algorithm. A medical glossary is present to throw light on medical jargon. The yoga module is there to help us stay fit by providing us information about various yoga poses and the benefits of yoga. Nutritional insights are provided in the nutrition section so that we can eat right and maintain a healthy body. To cater to the current scenario, we have our escort Ask Kovi, who will explain what is COVID to us. Show us COVID Pred for COVID 19 diagnosis. This diagnosis is based on a neural network. COVID Stats is present for all the stat lovers so that they can obtain statistics on COVID 19 cases and vaccination data in India and all around the world. CoviCure will help us stay safe from COVID 19 by showing us what are the symptoms of COVID 19 and precautionary measures that we can follow. After getting all this information, you might be wondering, where is Smart Talk? Let's go take a look.
So this is our website. Our website has four modules, that is checkup, glossary, yoga and nutrition along with COVID Center. Currently you are seeing the homepage of our website. Here in the homepage there is a start checkup button from where you can enter to the checkup module and can get your disease predicted. Below that there is a section from where you can enter to our COVID Center. Below that there is about us section. Here we are given a short description about our project and our system. Below that there's a service section, that is the four services that we are providing. It's nothing but our four modules. Then the next section is the feedback section where you can give us your feedback so that we can improve our system to be more better. Then below that there is our team section, that is the three team members. And lastly the contact us section. So this was our home page. Now we will go to the checkup module. So now we will click on the start checkup button now. Before entering the checkup module, a notification is shown saying this website is only for educational purpose. Please consult your doctor for accurate medical advice. After reading this notification, you have to just click OK. Here we have provided the steps to do the checkup. So the first step is enter your symptoms. The second one is agree to the terms and conditions. And the third one is click on the enter button. So let's go to the checkup section. Here we have listed the symptoms. You just have to tick the check boxes that is corresponding to your symptoms. So let's select few symptoms now. I will select itching, lethargy, cough, diarrhea, congestion and depression. So after selecting the symptoms, you have to agree to the terms and conditions by ticking the checkbox here and then click on the check button. So before showing the result, the same notification is shown here. After reading this notification, you have to click OK. Now the result is you may be suffering from fungal infection. Here we have provided a note because this is a project that is based on machine learning. So this is just like a reminder. Now let's say if you have some other symptoms, we will do the checkup again with some other different symptoms. So you have to follow these same steps again. Now let's go to checkup. Let's try with some different symptoms. So this time I will select joint pain, chills, sunken eyes, uh, loss of appetite, chest pain and belly pain. Now, if you directly click on the check button, here an alert is shown saying you have to click on this checkbox in order to proceed. That is, you have to agree to the terms and conditions. Now, click on the check button. So, before showing the result, the same notification is shown. Just click OK. Now, the result is different since you had different symptoms. The result is you may be suffering from tuberculosis along with the same note. So, this was a checkup module.
So now we are on the glossary page where we can enter any word and click on the search button to find its meaning, and the meaning will be displayed in the box below. So let me show you a demo of that. Even the word headache, and if I click the search button, here the word headache, it's a pain in the head, also called cephalaglia. So that's how the glossary module works.
Here in yoga module, we are providing information on different types of yoga like pranayam, yogasana, mudra, and information about yoga like what is yoga and few benefits of doing yoga. Now, if you're curious to know different types of yoga and you want to do that type, like for example, you want to know more about yogasana, just simply click on read more button. Here you can get more information about yogasana and different types of that asana, that is the different poses that you can do. If you want to know more about that pose, then click on the read more button. Here we have provided information about that particular pose and the steps to do that pose along with the benefits of doing that particular pose. So this was a yoga module.
Let's explore the nutrition module, which has two sections. First section consists of various nutrition-rich foods. When I click on garlic, the picture is displayed along with the nutritional value of garlic, such as it is high in vitamins C, B1, B6, calcium, potassium, copper, manganese, and selenium. This is a summary of all the text which is written above. The second section is of home remedies. So when I click view more, we can see the home remedies for different common symptoms. So I'll click on constipation. Here there is some information about constipation, and these are the different home remedies one can follow, such as drinking more water, more coffee, and eating probiotic foods or taking probiotic supplements. So all this is contained in the nutrition module. Now, if you have any questions about COVID, let's ask Kovi. So what is COVID? Coronavirus is a large family of respiratory viruses, one name and many strains. The symptoms of COVID-19 are variable and mentioned over here, as well as the methods in which COVID-19 can spread. Now, let's go to CoviPred. It is a COVID-19 diagnosis which is based on a neural network. Here, I'll be selecting certain options. And I'll be agreeing to the terms and conditions and submitting the result. So the result has come that you may be COVID positive. This is again purely based on machine learning. Now let's go back and select some other symptoms and check. We'll let this stay the same. And let's change this to above 60 and say I've been abroad. Now the result is you may be COVID negative. After such a dynamic result, let's go and explore COVID stats. So this is COVID stats. It's a searchable line chart for vaccination data over here, which we can also use to see the graph of India. This is the linear graph and this is the log graph, and we can see it as compared to United Kingdom and United States. Whereas COVID-19 details are concerned, we can select India from here, and then we can see the linear graph as well as the log graph. In growth trajectories on cases and deaths, we can compare Asia with the rest of the world. We can also filter to include comparison with other places, or we can see it just for Asia and the different places in Asia. COVID-19 impact breakdown country-wise and continent-wise, and if we click on Asia, then you can also see the breakdown inside Asia. Now we'll go to CoviCure. CoviCure shows us the various symptoms of COVID-19. When do we have to seek medical attention? These are the precautionary measures that we can follow to avoid getting COVID. The base is good hygiene. Here we come to know why vaccination is important and what vaccines are available. We also receive the step-by-step process to register for vaccines. These are the different prevention steps to prevent the spread of COVID-19, and this is the treatment which has to be followed if you realize that you have been exposed to a COVID-19 patient.
Just like our website, we have SmartDoc app which has 4 modules, that is prediction, yoga, nutrition and glossary. So currently you are seeing the homepage of our app. Here we have provided information about a SmartDoc and its modules. Along with that, there is a navigation bar from where you can navigate to other modules of our app. So now we will go to the prediction module. In order to do the checkup, you have to click on the doctor image. Here you have to select 5 symptoms. You can also select less than 5 symptoms but not more than 5 symptoms. So let's select the symptoms now. I will select stomachache, vomiting, high fever, sudden weight loss and abdominal pain. So after selecting the symptoms, you have to click on Know Your Disease button. So here this is the predicted disease, that is jaundice, along with its causes and some prevention tips. Now let's say if you have some other different symptoms, you have to follow the same procedure again. Let's select some different symptoms now. So here I will select continuous feeling of urination, then bladder discomfort, then burning malnutrition. After selecting the symptoms, click on the button here. So now the predicted disease is urinary tract infection along with its causes and prevention. Let's go to the other module. Now we will go to the yoga module. Here in yoga module, we are providing information on different types of yoga. Like if you want to know about mudra, then just click on that, and then different types of mudra, like you want to know about Vayu, then click on that and more details about that particular yoga type is shown here. Along with that, there is a button saying yoga classes nearby. On clicking that, it will show the yoga classes that is nearby your location. So here it's opening the map. Here now it is showing me the yoga classes that is nearby my location. So these are the yoga classes that is nearby me. Since I stay in Powai, it's showing the yoga classes in Powai. So this is our yoga module. Now we will go to the other module, that is the nutrition module. In this module, we are providing information on nutrition-rich food and home remedies for common symptoms. On clicking the nutrition-rich button, it shows the list of nutrition-rich foods. If you want to know more about any food, just click on that. Now you can see more details about that food. So going back now, here there is a home remedies button. On clicking that, you will see the list of home remedies for common symptoms like cold, fever, cough, etc. If you want to know more about that, just click on that block and you can see the home remedies that you can do for cold. So this was a nutrition module. Here in glossary module, you can search for the meaning of any unknown word. So let's get started by clicking the button. Here now we will type the word. Let's say we will type stomachache. Then click on the find button. Now the meaning of the word stomachache is shown here. So this was a glossary module. Now let's go to the other module, that is the contact us. Here you can get in touch with us by locating us. So let's click on the map icon here. Okay, now it shows our location. Along with that, you can also get in touch with us via mail. So now you can select the Gmail here and can mail us. Along with that, you can also call us. Also, you can send us an SMS. Along with this, you can also rate us from the 5 stars, and there is a feedback section where you can give us your feedback. After typing, just click on submit button. So this was our app.
We hope you enjoyed viewing our project.